Introduction about us. MaRS Group was formed in 2001, at Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Mr. Shailesh Patel formed a firm named MaRS Planning and Engineering Services Private Limited. Initially with the minimum number of manpower, MaRS Group started designing projects in water supply scheme, wastewater disposal and treatment, roads and transportation infrastructure. By time, we grew and number of employees also increased. Further, we put our steps into large-scale projects in mass housing scheme, landmark commercial and industrial projects, solid waste management. In year 2012, management took the decision to start up individual BIM building information modeling department in the firm. The reason was growing market demand and for better building performance and quality. MaRS Group now employs more than 300 professionals nationally overall in 10 offices in 9 states of India. Since last 14 years, we have been providing design, engineering and project management services. Our presence. With our vast experience and skilled professionals, we have our head office situated at Ahmedabad, Gujarat. Apart from it, we have our liaison office at Mumbai, Maharashtra. We have our branch offices at Bangalore and Mysore, Raipur, Chhattisgarh, Kolkata, Ranchi, Jharkhand. We have our international office at Lagos, Nigeria and our associate office at Muscat, Oman. Our clients. From the last 14 years, we have worked with reputed clients. Our client list includes contractors, architects and planners, engineering groups, government. We have to our credentials BIM services of major contracting firms and developers in India and Gulf. With India's leading construction firms like Tata, Reliance and L&T, we have even worked with Ark Imagine Oman and BEC Group at Oman also. In BIM, there are variety of contracts which are done by us. That includes 3D modeling support up to LOD, 300. 3D modeling support up to LOD, 400. 4D simulation support. Shop drawings for MEPF services. Virtual quantity survey. BIM implementation and manpower deputation support. Services provided by us. MaRS offers BIM services since last 3 years. We provide clients with premium quality of services. Our services includes 3D modeling support for AEC industry, coordinated construction document support, BIM support for facility management, BIM implementation and manpower deputation, 4D simulation services with collaboration of project construction services, coordinated construction document support. As mentioned earlier in LOD 300 modeling, it can be further used in order to release construction drawings which are shop drawings. After finishing LOD 300 modeling, in novice work manage software coordination process is done. We detect clashes in model and clash detection report is sent to our client for resolving clashes. With all specific assemblies accurate in terms of quality, quantity, size, shape, location and orientation, with complete fabrication, assembly and detailing information LOD 400 modeling is done. And from this model, shop drawings are released which can be used on construction sites, specially useful for contractors and fabricators. Benefit of it is to explain the fabrication or the installation of the items to the production or installation crews. 4D simulation services with collaboration of project construction supervision. In 4D simulation services, we require all the project planning and construction data in order to collaborate with construction planning. After receiving project planning data, we change the geometry of 3D Revit model. From this model we export data to 4D simulation. After this task, all the planning data and construction tasks are linked to 3D model. Then the visualization parameter are adjusted and we run the 4D simulation process. This process is done in Novice Work Simulate. The video shows how the simulation is done. Another video shows how 4D simulation can relate to actual progress and planned progress of construction, and we can manage to see the progress delays and differences. The benefits of simulation are as synchronization of design and construction planning, better implementation of lean construction techniques, synchronization of procurement with design and construction. BIM support for facility management, building operations and maintenance optimization, asset digitization. Our team thoroughly compiles all scattered information, verifies with as-built survey and puts it in one common BIM platform. Create BIM models from old records and update to match with latest as-built condition. Optimize asset survey with 3D point cloud scans and photography. Our smart documentation will ease the operation and maintenance tasks with interlinked system drawings and room data sheets. Maintain actual asset data for lowering cost of preemptive maintenance, renovations and new additions. Develop standardized content. We can build the organized contain library, which will fulfill your organizational need along with actual use in daily O&M process. As-built verification. We make sure that your BIM is accurate to its actual as-built condition using different sources like point clouds, photographs and as-built drawings obtained from various consultants. Smart documentation. Identify the problem area, room, and our interlinked smart documentation for that room has all the information an FM engineer would preliminary need to quickly respond to the situation. Space planning and analysis. Space planning and utilization analysis using color-coded layouts and schedules in BIM. Test potential change virtually to determine impact before implementation. Asset rollout optimization. BIM audit. Audit your BIM models to thoroughly check for their quality, standards, and compatibility. Real-time quantities. Analyze accurate real-time quantity takeoffs at all stage of the project. Tailored BIM with custom shared parameters and scheduled to easily quantify all elements and materials. Accurately quantified materials are good for pre-order to save the overall construction time. BIM Implementation and Manpower Deputation Program. We have provided support for BIM implementation at various levels. For BIM implementation program we try to understand BIM requirements and work standards of organization. After reviewing requirements and standards, we start preparing BIM standards. BIM standards are prepared by our in-house staff. We depute our key persons for training and production support to the client's office. Manpower training is the key function of the implementation. We provide training of Revit software for LOD, 200 and LOD, 300. We have deputed manpower for various projects for monthly and yearly duration to Gulf countries. Till now, we have been deputing manpower for training and production to Jordan, Saudi Arabia and Oman.
Study. The video is simulation video of one of the projects in Mexico. This is a residential apartment in Mexico which we have worked on BIM platform, and the video is for simulation of the project. This 4D simulation shows the construction sequence as per the project planning. This is a 360 view of the project showing the architectural service as well other services south view. The simulation illustrates the conventional drawings are modeled in Revit software and BIM-based detailed drawings are outcome of it. Conventional drawings are the input drawings which we receive it from the client/consultant. The BIM-based drawings are the outcome, the data which are detailed described good for construction drawings. This virtual construction model allows for an inbuilt quantity takeoff feature which allows us to effortlessly generate quantity takeoffs without the hassles of on-site quantity surveying. BIM experience. Our list of projects are listed below in table. We have provided several services as LOD 300 modeling support and shop drawing support as well. The project shown here is commercial and residential building in Muscat, Sultanate of Oman. The project scope of work and images are shown here as well. Benefits of using our service: increased building performance and quality, improved collaboration using integrated project delivery, generation of accurate and consistent 2D drawings at any stage of the design, better management and operation of facility, integration of facility operation and management system, clash detection and coordination. The project shown here is industrial, office and laboratory building located in Bengaluru. Shell India Markets is one of the biggest industrial project which is done by us.